Hello sir. In this video, we can see about how to do daily entries in our mobile application. Let's see. First log in our mobile application. Then go to the forms in left side corner. Select any one shade. Then select day entry. Then enter the day egg production. That day I have 215 trays dot 21 loose eggs. Then that day I have 2 trays of small eggs. Then I have 26 loose eggs of cracked eggs. Then that day mortality is 12. That day feed consumption is 800. Then save. Same like this we can do other entries. Then here feed loading and unloading, medication, body weight and egg transfer option also available. Enter feed loading. If you have low feed, select feed loading, then select the date, which date you need to load that feed. You can select this place, then select the storage, where do you keep your feed. So select the storage, feed milk godown, select the feed type, layer feed, select the quantity 1000 kg, then save. Same like this we can do feed unloading and medication and body weight also available. Once we done the egg production, we can transfer our shed to our egg godown. From store, select the date and from storage. Product is large eggs. Storage is shed 1. Enter the quantity 200 trays. Then select the to storage. To storage is my egg godown. Transfer quantities 200 trays. Then you submit. Now I transfer large eggs from shed 1 to our egg godown. So once done the day entries, then I go to the reports day book. Here day book is available. Once refresh this data, now you check this data. Shed 1, age is 54 weeks 4 days, opening birds and mortality is 12, then closing birds. That day feed opening is 8050, feed loading 1000 kg, feed consumption is 800, the closing feed is 8250. So feed per bird 106.57. So our standard is 109. The difference is minus 2.43. Our opening large egg is 12,059. That day production, that day cracked production, and closing of large eggs. And this is HDP. This is our percentage. This is our standard percentage, and this is the difference. And also here showed our egg transfer quantity also. So this is our day book report. So finally in this video we have seen about how to do daily entries in our mobile app. Thank you.